Good morning class. Okay, today we will start our explanation of lesson 2. We already finished our reading. Okay, so first I will show you the picture of this. Okay, look at these pictures and write the countries where they can be found. So first one is the Statue of Liberty. Now look at this. This is the Statue of Liberty. Okay, where you find this? You will find this in New York, the United States. Okay. Now second picture, you will see this Big Ben. You will find this in London, the United Kingdom. Okay. Now next, this one is the third picture, Opera House in Sydney in Australia. Okay. Now fourth picture is Pisa of Leaning Tower in Italy. Okay. In Italy, leaning means झुका हुआ, tilt. This tower is tilted. Okay, झुका हुआ. Now student, this is in your book after your lesson. So and afterward meaning sound check. So we are looking at this first because these are hard words. So how we pronounce, we will read this first. Say these words correctly. Follow the pronunciation guide given in the bracket. Stress the highlighted letters. So first, vineyard. So V-I-N-E. So we will call this vineyards. What we read this? Vineyards. Okay. So next is C-A-F-E. Cafe. Cafe. Okay. Ka. Sound C-A-K. Cafe. Next is C. Look at this C. Brittany. So Brit-N-E. Brittany. We pronounce this Brittany. Now D. Look at the D word. Normandy. 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 And now the last one, fifth. Moussi-du-Loir. Mais-de-Loire. This is in French language. Okay, French language. So we pronounce this Moussi-du-Loir. Okay, now clear. So now we will start explanation. Now look at this chapter 2, visiting France. Now look at the book. One morning in May, a bright silver and blue jet aeroplane landed at Charles de Gaulle Airport outside Paris, France. Okay, Paris in France. Paris is the capital of France. Mrs. and Mr. Rajan with their two daughters, Alicia and Indrani, stepped out into the warm sunshine. The Rajan family had come from India to live in this beautiful country for a year. Mrs. Rajan had come to study the French perfume business for the Indian government, while Mr. Rajan would train as a chef. Alicia and Indrani would attend a French school. So first we will underline the word. Okay, so I already underlined it, so you will see it. First, landed. So meaning of landed is an aircraft arriving on the ground. Okay, aircraft, aeroplane is landed, arrived मीन्स पहुंच गया है और वो नीची ज़मीन पर उतर रहा है, ठीक है, उतर गया है, लैंडेड एट द चार्ल्स डी गॉल एयरपोर्ट आउटसाइड. ओके, सेकेंड इज अंडरलाइन द वर्ड स्टेप. Okay, stepped means to leave a place. Okay, and third, perfume. Underline the word perfume. Perfume and business. Okay, underline the word business. Perfume means perfume is a mixture of fragrance, essential oils or aroma. Okay, and the meaning of business is a business is an organization where people work together. Clear? Now next, chef. Underline the meaning of chef. Chef and attend. So chef, meaning of chef is the chief cook in a restaurant or hotel. A person who look after the cooking, okay, called chef. So now what happened here? It was the month of May. Okay, one morning they means Rajan family arrived by a shiny silver and blue jet at Charles de Gaulle Airport, just outside of Paris. Almost, I think, most aerodromes means airports are outside of the city. That's why they are outside of the Paris. Okay, they arrived in France. Okay, so now, and I already told you Paris is the capital of France. Okay, so Mrs. and Mr. Rajan with their two daughters. Mrs. and Mr. Rajan arrived in France with their two daughters, and their name is Alicia and Indrani. Mr. and Mrs. Rajan have daughters and their name is Alicia and Indrani. Now here stepped out into the warm sunshine. That means they came out from the airport. The weather is pleasant. Okay, it was not cold, it was not warm. Okay, it's warm sun, that means sun was shining. It's warm weather, not very cold or not very hot. Okay, so it's nice weather. The Rajan family had come from India to live in a beautiful country for a year. Rajan family came from India, okay, to live in France. France is a beautiful country. They came here to live for 1 year. Mrs. Rajan had come to study the perfume business. Why she came? She came in France to learn about perfume business. She Mrs. Rajan, who sent her to France. Indian government sent her and her family to France, so she will learn about perfume business and she will work. Then she will come India and she will work in government company, okay, for the perfume. So while Mrs. Rajan will learn about perfume, Mr. Rajan will train as a chef. Okay, so he will do the training for the chef, and their daughters Alicia and Indrani will attend the French school. So that means they will go to the school for studies. So everyone came here, whole family, and they will do few works there. As the taxi took them to Paris, Mr. Rajan started to tell his daughters about France. Okay, so what happened when Rajan family were heading towards Paris in a taxi? Mr. Rajan starts telling his daughters about France. Okay, Mr. Rajan, here it's about 1/4 the size of India. He said it is among the largest countries in Europe. Russia is the largest. So now Mr. Rajan is talking to the girls. He is showing the buildings and other famous places and talking about their habitat. Okay, Mr. Rajan said France equals about 1/4 of India. Okay, France is the largest country in Europe. There is a few largest countries in Europe. So one is France, and the largest country in Europe is Russia is the largest country. Okay, so Mr. Rajan was telling his daughters about the France, and he is showing the buildings and other places to the girls. Now here Mr. Rajan went on to say that unlike, underline the word unlike. Okay, unlike India, France isn't very crowded. So what Mr. Rajan said? Mr. Rajan said that France is not as populated as India. India is full of people, but France is about 1/4 the size of India. That means it's the 1/4 size is France. Okay, so India is four times bigger than the France. Okay, so he is telling, and underline the word unlike. There is plenty of room for everyone. Underline the word plenty. Okay, and there are forests and farms in France. The soil is rich and the sea surrounds much of France. So there is no shortage of good vegetables, fruit, grains, meat and fish to eat. So we did not unlike. The meaning of unlike, different from, not similar. Okay, unlike, different, not similar. And plenty, more than enough, means a lot. And you can underline the word crowded. Okay, crowded means full of people. Surrounds, be all around. Okay, that means most the sides. Okay, all around. So what happened now? They noticed means Rajan family noticed there wasn't as much traffic as in India. So in France there is not lots of traffic like India. Okay, in France there are lots of forests and farms. Okay, so the land is very useful. So there is there is plenty of room for everyone. There is a place for everyone, enough space. There are forests and farms in France. In France there is lots of forest and farms in France. The soil is rich and the sea around much of France. So what they said, so land is very useful and the soil is very fertile. Okay, there are more sea shores around France. Okay, so that means lots of area of the France is covered with sea. So there is plenty of good vegetables. Okay, so many types of vegetables and good quality, maybe organic, fruits, grain, meat and fish to eat. So people, they eat there. Okay, what they eat? Vegetables, fruit, grain, meat and fish to eat there is. So they love to eat these things. Okay, France has shortage. We did not see the meaning of shortage, so look at it. Of goods, vegetables, fruits, grains, meat and fish to eat. So now next paragraph. France has snow-capped mountains called the French Alps. The name of the mountain is Alps. France also has broad rivers and plains where the cattle graze. Cattle graze, underline the word cattle. Alps. France also has broad rivers and plains where the cattle graze. Cattle graze, underline the word cattle graze. Okay. On luscious, you have the meaning. You will write the meaning of luscious in your copy. Okay. Grass. Dairy farming is also popular. Popular means famous, as the French love cheese. It is a part of their diet. Underline the word diet. Okay. On sunny hillsides, juicy grapes from the vineyards, underline the word vineyards, are harvested and pressed into wine, for which France is famous, added Mrs. Rajan. Okay, so now meaning of cattle graze, to eat grass. Okay, cattle graze means to eat grass. The meaning of diet, a special course of food, like a special course of food. And vineyards is an area of land where grapes grapevines are grown. Okay, grapevines are grown. Once again, vineyards, a vineyard is an area of land where wines are grown. Harvested, the meaning of harvested, underline it, harvested and wine. So harvested means to pick and collect crop. Whatever you're growing in your field, in your farm, so when it's ready, what you do, you cut it and you collect it, okay, and pick it and sell it. So harvested, to pick and collect crop. Meaning of wine, drink made from fermented grape juice. Okay, it is called wine. Okay students, France has snow-capped mountain called, snow-capped means covered with snow on top, mountains covered with snow on top, called the French Alps. Okay, beautiful snow-capped mountain named Alps. Okay, France also has broad rivers. Okay, even in France there is a wide rivers and plains where the cattle graze, and there is a land where cattle, animals, farm animals graze. Okay, graze means, I told you graze means, what is the meaning of graze? Do you remember? To eat grass. So there is plenty of plain land, so there is a luscious grass. Luscious means having a strong, pleasant taste of grass. So animals love that taste of the grass, luscious grass. Dairy farming is also popular, and what there, the milk business is also very famous. Okay, because the people of France love to eat cheese, as the French love cheese. Okay, I think you know the cheese. It's salty like paneer, but it's not paneer, because paneer will rot quickly, but cheese stay long time. Okay, it's don't get rotten, so it's different. I think you already know Amul cheese. If you don't know, buy it later on and then you will see what is cheese. Okay, so French people love eating cheese and product of milk. So there is dairy farming is very famous. It is a part of their diet, and the cheese is the part of their diet. I told you the meaning of diet, special course of food. So there is a special course of food with the milk product, especially the cheese. Okay, on sunny hillsides, juicy grapes from the vineyard are harvested and pressed into wine, for which France is famous, added Mrs. Rajan. Mrs. Rajan was adding few words in for joke. What she is telling? You'll also find vineyards on sunny hillsides. There is hills in France, and when you go there you will find the vineyards, okay, loaded with juicy grapes. There is the vineyards, means garden of vines, and these vineyards are loaded, means full of grapes. Most are harvested and pressed into wine, and most are they harvest means, I told you what is the meaning of harvest. When the grapes are ready to pick and collect crop, and they pressed into wine, okay, for which France is famous. France is famous for wine. They are preparing wine. That means there is the business of wine, okay. So France is famous for this. So today we will have explanation till these paragraph. 1 paragraph, 2 paragraph, 3 paragraph, 4 paragraph, okay. And tomorrow we will start from 5th paragraph, okay. Now we will start writing word meaning. So open your copy and start writing word meaning of lesson 2. Now students, I think you open your copy. So write lesson 2, date, write date of that day when you are writing this, okay. Classwork, for word, first fold your page, okay. You know how I taught you, fold your page, word this side and meaning next to this line. Word meaning, first, snow-capped, covered with snow on top. Snow-capped, covered with snow on top, 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 okay. Second, luscious, having a strong, pleasant taste. Third, gleam, to shine brightly. Gleam, to shine brightly. Sidewalk cafes, small roadside restaurants. Sidewalk cafes, small roadside restaurants. Now next, 5th, seaport. Seaport, a place where ships can load and unload goods. A place where ships can load and unload goods. Once again, I made a mistake. Seaport, a place where ships can load and unload goods. Okay. Now next, colonist, people who set up a colony in another country and settle there. Colonists, people who set up a colony in another country and settle there. Repeat, tour. Repeat, tour. Okay student, I think it's clear. Just have a look once again. Word meaning, snow-capped, covered with snow on top. Second, luscious, having a strong pleasant taste. Third, gleam, to shine brightly. Sidewalk cafes, small roadside restaurants. Seaport, a place where ships can load and unload goods. Colonist, people who set up a colony. People who set up the colonies in another country and settle there. And last is repeat, toll. Okay, now students, complete this in your copy, prepare and learn it in your homework. Okay, now go to the washroom and wash your hands and ready for next period. Okay.